Upon conducting some market research on the performing arts, and in particular the theatre, it was brought to our attention that there's been a fluctuation in attendance at two UK theatres. SALT, the Society of London Theatres, identified a recent decline of 1.73% between 2010 and 2011.
However, the problem with attendance at the theatre stems much deeper than the bums on seats figures collected at the end of each year. Leisure reviews such as the Taking Part Survey and Mintel's Leisure Report identifies a problem with repeat visitation and repurchasing within the theatre.
In September 2012, Mintel highlighted that 67% of their 18-plus sample attended the theatre at some point in their life, but only 9% of these people visited monthly or more often. Leisure activities such as eating out at restaurants and visiting cinemas, museums and art galleries ranked much higher in the ratings.
Alongside this problem, we became aware of the negative perceptions towards forward thinking within the theatre. Arts Council England's report identified three main concerns towards the idea of digitalisation of the theatre. Firstly, a fear of digital art replacing live experiences. Second, the digital art being perceived as antisocial. And finally, the practical concerns about technological limitations.
The report highlighted the perception that artistic participation does not include the social nature of art, which we wanted to tackle head-on. When identifying people's attitudes towards the performing arts, Mintel concluded that 53% of their sample agreed that performing arts are an important part of our culture.
Acknowledging that if repeat visitation increased, this would have a positive knock-on effect towards the general attendance figures within the theatre, we have decided to tackle the problem from a repurchasing and re-attending point of view.
Taking on board the negative perceptions of digitalisation within the theatre and consumers' attitudes towards the performing arts, we plan to exploit the ever-growing creative media and digital technology industry to overcome the problem of repeat visitation in the theatre once and for all.